Rich, we can start.
In today's video, we'll be talking about our hunting shotguns. From more modern looking, from semi-autos to break open or break action. These ones are single fire, 2 barrels, over and under. These ones are semi-auto. It's a these ones hold 3, those ones 2, of course. But yeah, we'll start with this one, the most used one probably. It's a Beretta A400 Extreme Plus, 12 gauge. It's been used quite a bit. It's rugged, reliable, durable. It's an all-around gun. You can use it for anything, right? But cartridge is what it kills best. This one, same thing. It's just a 20 gauge. This one's a 12 gauge, 20 gauge. It's a little bit smaller. You can tell the barrel, just size all around. Same gun, just a 20 gauge. This one's newer, not as used yet, but these ones are more special here. This one's a Beretta 686 Silver Pigeon 1. It's a 12 gauge. Very beautiful. Very nice engravings on it also. Probably one of my favorites. Even under it, it's got everything. Even the varnish on the wood and the chokes. It's an all-around beautiful gun. Maybe a bit less used compared to the A400, but still a very fine piece of destructive art. And now we got the Browning Citori 725 field model. This one's a 28 gauge. Browning. It's an American brand, the rest are all Italian. Also a very beautiful gun, a fine, dangerous art piece. Very beautiful engravings. It's all around a very beautiful gun. And then our newest one is this one. Very nice. It's a Beretta 687 Silver Pigeon 3, 28 gauge. Very beautiful engravings, very shiny. It's got a very nice finish on the wood everywhere, and the stock to the foregrip. But yeah, beautiful gun. Again, 28 gauge. So the calibers go from 28, or no, my bad. Oh yeah, 28, 12 gauge, 20 gauge, to 12 gauge. So we have some big ones, the small ones. We don't have any 410 ones yet. But yep. And then over here we have many fallen partridge on the side, and tail feathers. But anyways, yep. It's our collection. In the next video, maybe we'll talk about our more modern plinking rifles, our range rifles.